знаю, чтобы я не ездила, я посмотрю.
Мы снижаемся точно, мы уже точно на уровне облаков.
Просто за окном все красное. Да, Юра?
A large and persistent Saharan dust storm has swept across parts of North Africa and southern Europe, significantly impacting Libya, Greece and Egypt, with particularly visible effects on the Greek island of Crete. The event, driven by strong southerly winds and regional atmospheric instability, has transported vast quantities of fine desert dust from the Sahara Desert across the Mediterranean basin, resulting in hazardous air quality, reduced visibility, and widespread disruption to daily life and transportation systems. The dust storm initially intensified over Libya, where eastern regions experienced the most severe conditions. Cities including Tobruk reported near-zero visibility, as dense dust clouds engulfed urban centers and surrounding areas. The sky turned a deep orange to red, a phenomenon caused by high concentrations of suspended particulate matter scattering sunlight.
Era Petra. Era Petra. Poi Tococino. Tak se no. Era Petra.
Local authorities issued urgent public health advisories, urging residents to remain indoors and minimize exposure to outdoor conditions. Vulnerable groups, including children, the elderly and individuals with pre-existing respiratory illnesses, were identified as being at heightened risk. In addition to the health concerns, the storm significantly disrupted normal activities across affected parts of Libya. Road transport was hindered by poor visibility, while public services operated under strained conditions. Emergency response teams were placed on heightened alert to address incidents related to reduced visibility and environmental hazard.
Είναι απίστευτο.
Officials described the event as one of the more intense dust episodes observed in recent months. As the system advanced northward, it crossed the Mediterranean Sea and reached Greece, where its impact was most visibly observed in Crete and surrounding southern regions. Residents and visitors reported a dramatic transformation of the sky, which took on a vivid reddish-orange hue, creating an unusual and striking visual phenomenon. The dust storm in Greece was accompanied by strong winds and, in some areas, rainfall. This combination led to the occurrence of muddy rain, in which dust particles mix with precipitation and settle on surfaces. Buildings, vehicles and public infrastructure were left coated in a layer of residue, adding to the disruption caused by the event.
Χαμός. Και μέσα στο χαμό μας έτυχε και αυτό. Μου βάλανε βενζίνη αντί για πετρέλαιο κατά λάθος.
Authorities reported a decline in air quality across affected regions and issued guidance advising the public to limit outdoor activity and take appropriate protective measures. Transportation networks across Greece experienced notable disruption. Reduced visibility and unstable atmospheric conditions affected aviation operations, resulting in delays and diversions at airports serving Crete and nearby regions. Road travel was also impacted, with drivers facing hazardous conditions due to limited visibility and dust accumulation. Maritime activities were influenced by strong winds over the Mediterranean, prompting increased monitoring by relevant authorities.
Πού είναι οι βροχές ρε παιδιά? Μάλλον θα χάσουμε νερό από το κλείσιμο. Θα καταναλώσουμε μάλλον νερό.
عاصفة ترابية شديدة تضرب الآن مدينة طبرق.
Egypt also experienced the effects of the broader regional weather system. While not at the center of the main dust plume, several regions reported strong winds carrying sand and dust, particularly across desert and southern areas as well as parts of the Red Sea corridor. Visibility declined in exposed locations, and authorities issued precautionary guidance warning residents of deteriorating air quality. Meteorological agencies indicated that the conditions were influenced by the same large-scale atmospheric circulation patterns driving the dust storm, although overall dust concentrations were comparatively lower than in Libya and Greece. The interaction of regional wind systems and seasonal climatic factors contributed to the widespread nature of the event. Spring is typically associated with increased atmospheric instability across North Africa, often resulting in strong, dust-laden winds capable of transporting large volumes of desert material over long distances. These conditions can link weather patterns across multiple countries within a short period of time.